Hi guys, I'm Leah from Virginia, Vietnam. Today I will show you a new type of hair extensions from Virginia, Vietnam called flat tips. It's the combination of tape and eye tips without the commitment of tape. Okay, let's go. You can see there are two parts of flat tips, hair part and flat part. The hair of flat tips retains the properties of other hair extensions, such as hair weft, closer, frontal, or clip-ins. No tangle, no shedding, no chemical. And you can see that the hair looks very bright, healthy, and silky. Okay, flat tips with just hair. You can see the hair is very soft, silky, full from top to the end, and very healthy. And flat tips with wavy hair. As you can see, the hair is very shiny, very bouncy, and very gorgeous. Okay, when you're ready to try this type of hair extensions, you can contact us via the WhatsApp number on this screen, and we will have good price for you. We are Virginia, Vietnam, and we offer 100% human hair with all type of hair extensions. And see you next time. Goodbye.